In this video, I'm going to teach you 3 simple false cards that you can learn today. Check this out. So in order to do the false cards, you must first learn how to do the swing card. The swing card looks something like this, okay? So basically with your middle finger and thumb, you hold the right edge of the deck like this, okay? Using your index finger, take about 1/3 of the deck like so. One more time. And then now you extend your index finger using the crotch of your thumb to clip the deck like this and back into mechanic's grip. Okay, so one more time, like this. Then you can do it continuously like that. 1, 2, and just put the third one on top. That's the swing card. To perform the first false card, all you need to do is to swing card the cards over, like so. Next thing you do is to cut about half of the remaining packet, while this hand, middle, ring and pinky finger will pull the deck down over like this in your outstretched hand, like so. Okay, so together it will look like this. 1, as you cut, you turn this packet like so. Okay, 2, and then let this packet go over like that. Next, take this packet, slap it on top like this while maintaining a thumb break. Using the index finger of the left hand and the middle finger of the right hand as a pivot, you will do this and just bring your right hand towards you like that, and then put the rest on top. So one more time, it will look like this. Okay, in normal speed. And if you've done it correctly, you should have the deck still in new deck order. The second false card looks something like this. And of course, if you do it correctly, you should have the deck still in new deck order. Now in order to do this, you gotta listen carefully. Start off with the middle finger and thumb on the side like this. Execute a swing cut. Okay. Next thing you do is to break this deck in half again, using your ring finger and your thumb to grab this deck back this way. Okay. So one more time. 1, cut, grab. All right. As you grab, use your thumb of your left hand, the center, and thumb of your right hand as the pivot to pivot this center packet, okay, this center packet back to you, towards you into mechanic's grip. In a fluid motion, extend your index finger in the middle of the top packet, okay, using this index finger as the pivot, like this, into your hand. And then with the last packet, thumb and thumb, pivot, and just let it drop. Okay. I like to do a little toss at the end so it looks something like this. 1, 2, and 3. And of course, if you have done it correctly, you should be all good. One more time in slow motion. And of course, the last false card looks something like this. And of course, if done correctly, everything should stay in position. So to perform the last false card, you do this. Start off with your middle finger in the middle. Remember, the first two is on the edge, this one somewhere in the middle. Index finger on top, thumb still resting in the same place. Okay? With your index finger, you peel about 1/3 of the deck. Middle finger, another third, like so. And your index finger of your left hand here. Okay? So it should look like this. 1, 2, index finger. Alright, one more time. 1, 2, index finger. Next, with your right hand, holding the top 2 packets, like this. Using your thumb as the pivot, you will turn these 2 packets downwards. Okay, downwards. So like this, downwards. Your left hand, middle finger and thumb, right? You will grab the center packet, like so, and using your thumb now to hold and move forward like this. Okay, so one more time. 1, 2, index finger, pivot downwards, using your middle finger and thumb to take the center packet, hold on to it. Now your thumb will take the first and third packet around this way, come back and square the cards this way. Okay, so the center packet now is slightly side jogged from the top and bottom packet. Alright, now using the middle finger as the pivot, okay, using the middle finger as the pivot, use your index finger of the left hand to be here in this position, and then you want to move forward like this and into mechanic's grip. Right, now the last packet on top while maintaining a thumb break. Index finger here, middle finger as the pivot, like this, and then on top. And of course, it will still be a false card. Alright, so one more time. So here are some reasons why you should learn some false cards. Number one, if you have any set up in the deck, whether it's near the bottom, near the top, or the entire deck, adding some false cards will give the illusion that you are mixing the cards or shuffling the cards. So learning some false shuffle, some false cards will really help enhance the magic in this way, okay? Without calling too much attention to it, obviously. Don't tell the people that, oh look, I'm mixing the cards and cutting the cards this way. Don't. Just do it. Subconsciously, they will see it and therefore they will understand that, oh, the cards are being mixed. Number two, it also shows dexterity and your ability as a sleight of hand artist or a magician, that you can handle a deck pretty well, okay? Cutting the cards with one hand, doing all these false cards will give the audiences the impression that, oh, actually this guy is serious about doing magic, like he can actually handle a deck pretty well, okay? And lastly, I feel that one of the most important things is, of course, if you can use these false cards or whatever cards, okay, these fancy cardistry moves or flourishes into your own advantage, meaning you can enhance the storytelling, okay, or use it as a visual element. All these small things will add up to making your magic look a lot better. So I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. You guys take care, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.